Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Roblox myth. First, define what a myth is to you. It's often a mysterious character or group within the Roblox universe. Next, brainstorm a compelling concept, focusing on unique lore and an intriguing backstory. Then, create a new experience in Roblox Studio, setting the stage for your myth's world. This initial setup is crucial for laying a strong foundation for your narrative. Once your concept is solid, delve into crafting your myth's lore. Develop a rich backstory, perhaps spanning several in-game events or generations. Design a few key characters, giving them distinct personalities and motivations. Build out your myth's world with at least 3 distinct locations that hint at its secrets. Remember, the more depth you add, the more immersive your myth becomes for players. Now bring your myth to life within Roblox Studio. Create custom assets, like unique models or textures, to establish a distinct visual style. Implement subtle scripting for environmental effects, like flickering lights or unsettling sounds, to enhance the atmosphere. Design interactive elements, such as hidden clues or puzzles, that players can discover. Focus on creating an experience that slowly reveals your myth's secrets. Finally, engage the Roblox community to spread your myth. Share teasers and cryptic messages on social media platforms and Roblox forums to pique interest. Encourage players to explore your experience and discuss their theories. Regularly update your game with new clues or story developments to keep the mystery alive. A thriving myth often involves a dedicated community unraveling its secrets over time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.